Welcome back. Now, at the half-year mark, Telkom's revenue is up 3.4%, lifted by robust mobile data revenue growth and fibre-related data revenue growth as well. Filtering down to the bottom line, headline earnings per share grew by 16.4%. The group attributes the gains to the success of its data-led strategy. And despite the improvements, no dividend has though been declared. The company's group CFO, Nonkululeko Dlamini, joins us now with a take on the performance. Nonkululeko, good to chat to you on Business Lunch. Welcome. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Ray, and to your viewers, and thank you for having us as Telkom.
Nice results. I must admit, great results. It's all mobile data and fibre data. Take us through your strategy, because let's be honest, you got some big opposition from many quarters, but these are great results.
Yes, and thank you. Indeed, it is a competitive market, but we are pleased to report such strong results. And it is 12 consecutive quarters of Telkom leading the market, just in terms of the data-led strategy in the mobile part of our business, which has resulted in this performance that we report today, our revenue at 22.1 billion. But also, besides the revenue drive, we've been very intentional, Ray, on ensuring that we are very efficient in our cost management, and we deliver these results at the most optimal level in all parts of our businesses. And it's been indeed pleasing for all the teams around the business to be focusing on this. Now you are asking about the dividend. We declared a dividend at year-end in 2025, and our policy is guiding that our dividend is only at year-end. We do not have a policy of declaring a dividend at half-year, and largely driven by the fact that our business is also a seasonal business, and we'll see that the second half of the year will be driven by the festive season, and we can see then the full analysis and be able to go back to our board depending on the outcomes at that point in time.
Which is great, because you've got 6 months to go. This is the first 6. So you've got 6 months to go. And like you say, you've got the festive season, and that's where people spend. What else is your strategy, though? I mean, this is a big strategy. And I started out the interview by saying, where are you getting this right? Because people don't have disposable income.
Indeed. I mean, we do appreciate the economic conditions for all our customers, but I think we have driven a data-led strategy, understanding that data is the new currency for our customers in the first instance, but also our propositions are about ensuring that our customers are getting value for their money. And I think this is why we've seen a lot of our growth coming from the increased subscribers, which we are now at about 24.5 million subscribers. And the prepaid part of our business has been quite a strong engine in terms of this data-led strategy, which gives them flexibility, in different times. But yes, the economy is tough, and there's different things competing for the same rands. And we are understanding that it's a competitive market as well. But we are pleased to have led the market for 12 consecutive quarters.
Where are your expansion areas? I'm thinking about open serve. Where are you looking and thinking, there might be a bit of a hole in the market over there? Obviously, you want to keep on expanding and expanding.
Yes. So we are driving a very integrated strategy, Ray, between open serve and the mobile part of our business. Because if you look at the data strategy, it is about ensuring that the monetization of the fiber investment, which is largely sitting in our open serve business, is getting monetized across the country in the various provinces. And there is a lot of expansion we are driving to ensure stronger presence in various parts of the country to ensure that the fiber footprint that we have is utilized, but also where it can be integrated to the mobile part of the business, we make sure that the consumer is getting the value for money and the benefit required.
Yeah. What are your major headwinds? I mean, there's got to be something that's keeping you up at night, and you think to yourself, this is great, but I've got to keep this momentum going.
Indeed. So if we just look at the customer base, for us, we do appreciate that some parts may well be getting saturated. It is how we continue to expand to areas where they still reach and the need for our services. But also, as I've indicated earlier, the economic headwinds are real to each of our customers. And therefore, much as we are moving towards the festive season, it's important to realize that soon after the festive season, there's other requirements, including school uniform and all those elements. And we are very much awake to those needs. And so those headwinds will be with us on the same customer, but we are focused on ensuring that the value for money that we give and propose to our customers will give us still, some space to continue growing.
Yeah, cheaper mobile fiber deals, that kind of thing. Data is still it's a big problem in our country because data costs are so high. What are you aiming to do with that? Because whoever pays or offers the best data deal wins.
Yeah, in terms of the pricing array, and again, it's going to be driven by us continuing to manage our cost as far down as possible to make sure we can give propositions, because we also have to make sure that we deliver this service and we get the necessary returns for our investors. So there is this continuous focus on ensuring that the costs are managed optimally, but also to the customer in terms of the pricing. It is also making sure we take advantage of the footprint in the price propositions that our mobile business is giving to our customers.
Lovely. CFO, thank you so much for being with us and congratulations on your results. I'm sure we'll speak in 6 months' time when perhaps you'll pay out that dividend. Thank you so much. Good to chat to you.
Absolutely. Thank you for your time.
That was Nonkululeko Dlamini, Group CFO at Telkom.